Okay, thank you, Pari. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear.
Okay, good. So I think the first and foremost, IAI fully support the establishment of the ISSB. And based on what we heard today from ISSB, we recognize how the ISSB initiative are significantly different to existing sustainability disclosure framework that we usually use, because this new ISSB standard aims to ensure one, compatibility, and two, interconnectedness of sustainability disclosure with financial reporting that meets the needs of the capital market. And the interconnectedness between sustainability related financial information in financial reporting is the main reason why it is very important for the accounting profession to take lead, Pari. We have heard this from Sue and Rafi, that it has highlighted in the exposure draft IFRS Sustainability Disclosure Standard that a lot of requirements are actually compatible and connected with financial reporting standard under IFRS, which Indonesia is actually adopted IFRS, right? So some of them, if you watch Rafi presentation, is definition of reporting entity is aligned with the financial reporting. Interim reporting is actually aligned. Qualitative characteristic of useful information is 100% aligned. Even the presentation of currency is aligned. So therefore, I think it is very important for IAI as the accounting profession to take lead this. And the establishment of the ISSB under the IFRS Foundation governance structure together with the ISB is the right step taken towards creating a strong linkage between financial and sustainability related information. And you also heard from Pak Mardiasmo, right? With the current mandates given to IAI as the financial reporting standard set in Indonesia, EIE or IAI and the accountancy profession is taking lead in bringing this initiative to Indonesia. And in December 2020, we took the important first step to establish IAI task force on comprehensive corporate reporting. This is multi-stakeholders task force, comprises of representative of relevant regulators, preparers, and also professional accounting organization. And as previously mentioned by Professor Mardiasmo in his address, to take our initiative to the next step, IAI is planning to revise our article of association in the next Congress to accommodate the establishment of Sustainability Standard Board parallel to the existing Indonesian Financial Reporting Standard Board. This is subject to our Congress approval, of course. This is, of course, mirroring to what the IFRS Foundation has done to accommodate the establishment of the ISSB as an equal to the ISB. That's my response to the first question, Pari.
Thank you very much, Bu Rosita. This is a very clear response. So if I want to take a point, so the first point is EIE fully supported the establishment IWSB, and also we already hear from Bu Rosita, there are various big plans ahead to support the establishment of the sustainability reporting in the accounting profession. Now, we already learned about the e-action. Now we want to know more about the accounting profession itself. So my second question is, what are the roles of accounting professions in response to the IWSB initiatives?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Pak Ari. I think we heard from Pak Mardiasmo. We also heard from the IFAC president, right? It is absolutely crucial for the accounting profession to take lead in the ISSB initiative. The aspiration to establish a strong linkage between the ISSB standard and existing financial reporting standard would require the expertise and also the competency that I believe our profession have built into our understanding of financial reporting. And in addition to that, professional accountants are equipped with the right skill set to bridge the financial and sustainability related information. I think now is kind of two reports, right? Which is not connected each other, But now, because this is interconnected and compatible, we need to merge these two reports into one integrated report, right? Therefore, the understanding of a company business model, risks and opportunities, system and processes, with knowledge of sustainability factor and the ability to collaborate with multidisciplinary experts is actually our expertise as accountant. Furthermore, professional accountants usually are at the center of information flows, are at the center of the decision making. This is uniquely position ourselves to capture, to analyze, to report, and to give assurance of the sustainability information together with financial information. In addition to that, because this report need to be supported by a strong corporate governance, our profession as accountant also has the skill set to drive this strong corporate governance, Pak Ari. So with those kind of expertise, I think it is the right moment for us as accountant to be taking the role on this initiative.
Thank you very much. That's an excellent answer, Bu Rosita. So I also took your point about whether we must understand not only financial accounting, not only financial reporting, but also we need to understand now more about the sustainability reporting, because in the future, we not just combine the information, but we will integrate the information of sustainability perspective to the financial reporting. So I think this is a new challenges for us, the accountant. But my final questions will be how the Indonesia should respond to the IWSB initiative. So what do you think our response should be?
Yes. Under Italy's presidency in 2021, the G20 leaders have recognized the work program of the IFRS Foundation to develop a baseline global reporting standard under robust governance and public oversight. Collectively, we must build on this and strengthen our commitment from recognition in 2021 to encouragement for members of G20 to lead by example and support the ESSB initiative. And as a member of G20, Indonesia must proactively involve in the ESSB standard setting process, not only just follow, but lead and involve proactively. Indonesia must leverage on our exposure, strategic position, and increasingly important role, especially with the 2022 G20 presidency, to take real and impactful action toward contributing to the ISSB initiative and building our own Indonesia sustainability reporting ecosystem, Pak Ari. I would strongly suggest for Indonesia to consider taking an active role in the ISSB standard setting process, for example, through membership with the Sustainability Standard Advisory Forum of the IFRS Foundation. The time for Indonesia to act is now, Pari, and IAI, together with all the accounting profession in Indonesia, is ready to play our parts. Thank you.